Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is July 3rd, 2025, and we're going to analyze XAUUSD, looking at both current news and the chart data. Recent news indicates that gold has been experiencing selling pressure as geopolitical tensions ease. However, other factors like potential Fed rate cuts and a weaker dollar could provide support. We'll discuss potential support and resistance levels and how they correlate with these events. Let's start by looking at the daily chart for a broader perspective of XAUUSD's price action. On the daily chart, we can see a consolidation phase forming after the rally in early 2025. The price has fluctuated between roughly $2,300 and $3,200, establishing some key levels. There's been a notable increase recently that we'll zoom into later. Now let's move to the 1-hour chart to get a better look at the most recent price action. We're going to narrow our focus to the candles from June 12, 2025 to June 17, 2025. Here, we see more detailed price movements and smaller trends forming. Notice how price reacted to certain support and resistance levels. We can also see consolidation happening around the $3,380 to $3,400 range. For a short-term perspective, let's switch to the 15-minute chart and look at the most recent data. Here we are focused on June 27th to July 2nd, 2025. On the 15-minute chart, volatility is evident with rapid price fluctuations. We see minor support and resistance levels forming within this tight range, making it a good time frame for scalping strategies. There has been more consistent growth recently, which could signal that gold will continue to grow at least in the short term. In summary, important levels to watch for XAUUSD are support around $3,200 and resistance around $3,500. A break below $3,200 could lead to further declines, while a sustained move above $3,500 could signal a strong bullish trend. FX Street analysts are mentioning this. The likelihood of gold reaching $7,000 by 2025, as some analysts predict, remains highly speculative and relies on significant economic uncertainty and continued geopolitical tensions. Keep an eye on upcoming U.S. jobs reports and Federal Reserve policy decisions, as they will likely influence gold prices significantly.